Welcome to another day in our A to Z on content creation journey. So today we're going to be setting up our channel. We're going to be branding, like making our brand look attractive. We're going to equally be doing our banner. Okay, so today we're going to be working on producing our YouTube banner. So get yourself ready. I believe that by now we've actually downloaded the apps you'll be needing, because today we're going to be working with Canva actually. Yes, and we equally need the background remover, because we're equally going to work with it. So have you actually downloaded these apps? Because we're going to be working with it today. So if you haven't, pause this video right now and go get it downloaded. Anyway, so we're going to be beautifying our channel, that is our brand. Okay, so let's go right into the video. And if you're seeing me for the first time, you're so welcome. This is what we do right here. We talk about everything in between. We talk about content creation, we talk about business, we impact ourselves positively, like we talk about everything in between. So if you're interested in becoming a content creator, we are on a 31 days journey, A to Z of what it takes to be a content creator, and today is actually the third day. Okay, so if you're yet to join us, you can actually join us. Make sure to watch our day 1 2 before this day, so that you can actually know what you have missed. Okay, so right into today's business. So we go straight to Canva and we'll click on it. We're going to be using Canva for today's banner creation. Okay, we can use Canva to do a lot of things. You can use it for editing your videos, for your thumbnails, for a lot of things. Okay, so we open up the Canva app and you can see thumbnail, you can see video, you can see social media, you can see whiteboard, you can see presentation. We have so many things we can actually do with Canva. Okay, so I'm gonna go for let me quickly show you still other stuffs you could see. So you could use it to create, even for your Facebook content creation. You can use it for like a lot of stuffs. Okay, you have phone wallpapers, we have the YouTube thumbnails, we have photo grid, we have whiteboard, we have Facebook post, we have Facebook cover, we have logos. You can do a lot with Canva actually. Okay, but today we're going to be working on creating YouTube banner. Okay, so I'm going to be taking from this theme. So I'm here, so I want to choose one of these themes I have right here, so that this video can be short and precise. You can start from the scratch if you want, but for easy flow and quick work, we're going to be choosing one of these. So I'm actually checking. Okay, so let's keep searching. Maybe we choose this one. So we could actually start up. Okay, let's just choose this one. So we'll start from here. So it's loading now. When it opens up, we just go straight to, okay, let's just go straight to adding the informations. So right here you can see what it has Hannah's channel. So if you know the name you want to use for your own channel, you can actually put it right there now. Okay, by editing that Hannah's channel, anything you want to use as your name right there, it is time for you to put it right on that banner. There you go. Below there you're going to see where you can actually put all the information you need, like what your channel is all about, if it's vlogging channel, if it's beauty channel, if you do like all this stuff you do. Okay, like you can see I do a lot of stuff, so I added all there. Then I move to picture. I'm gonna go right here and look for a picture. I have removed the background before now. Okay, so I choose this very one. I choose this one, though the background is not removed, but just for tutorial sake I choose that one. So I add all the information I need to add right here. And one thing you should do here is make sure not to increase any font size on this, because if you try increasing any font size more than needed, this is not going to work on your phone. If you upload it, it's not going to give you the exact thing you need. Okay, so you're going to make sure you focus on what is already there, because we are focusing on an already made theme for this. So I have this now set up. You can add all that you need to add within this frame, okay? Whatever that you need to construct, let it be in this frame, okay? So you can decide to choose a background. All these are backgrounds. Canva has a lot of background, so I choose this one. You can choose any one you like, okay? We're still gonna go into tutorial more on editing, but today we are creating our banner so that we could actually upload it, and we are doing everything strictly with our phones. So right here we are through. We want to check out for other elements we could add to make it look more colorful, okay? So you can see all this logo. I decided to pick a YouTube logo just to make it look more colorful and show that this is actually a YouTube banner, okay? So I press it right here. All right, so in this you just need to be creative as much as you can. You just need to add all you need to add. Don't just make sure all you need to do, or you want to appear here, you've added it. You can see how it's looking now. So I decide to save it. Just click on save and it is preparing your design. So it's as simple as that, okay? You can actually start from scratch, but we just pick this theme for quick one. So this is the outcome of our banner. All right, I believe now you can actually do your banner. So it is actually loading, and when it's done loading, it's going to save directly on your phone. As you can see, it is saved, okay? So we're going to close it down. We're going to close Canva down, then go back to the gallery to see if actually what we did was saved, okay? So I move straight to my gallery and let's see if it is saved. And right here it is saved. So from Anna's channel it becomes Tina Too Sweet channel, okay? You can Tina's channel. All right, and I believe right now you can actually do something as simple as this. Just try it out. It is not that difficult, okay? And that is what it is. Let's see how we can actually upload this banner on our channel. So let's go. So I'm going to click right on YouTube Studio and I'm going to come out here. So I have this channel, so I want to go for the account I want to use. So I'm taking this one and I open it up. So as you can see, I'm going to go right here so I can actually go straight to where my information is. So looking at this place, you're going to see here, you can see here now. So this is where we're going to do all that we need to do. I have this previous banner I uploaded, so I'm going to actually be changing it. So you go to your gallery, okay? From your gallery, you're going to take that very banner. This is it. We pick it up, we come here. Now this is what you should be careful of. You see the way it is, you just need to zoom it in and it's going to fit. You don't need to do anything, just zoom it in. Once it is totally zoomed to how it's supposed to be, it's going to fit. Once it is fit, you can actually leave it and set every other thing that you want to set right here. The name, everything, the handle, like the description. Just add your description right here. Then when you are done, you kind of try reloading and you're going to see that the banner has automatically changed, as you can see it right here. So this is what it is. You don't need to do much. I believe by now you can actually do this. Just make sure you just zoom and nothing more. Just zoom it and see it is done. Okay. You can see how beautiful this very channel is looking right now. It's actually looking put together, okay? And this is what a content creator's channel banner and setup should look like, okay? So go right into your own Canva and design something as beautiful or more beautiful than this, okay? And this is your good calling shot for today's video. I believe that everyone who has watched this video actually understood every part of it, because that's the essence of this video. I want everyone watching me, everyone who watches this video, to be able to do something with it, okay? Thank you for stopping by today. Don't forget to stay safe. See you soon in our next video, and bye for now.